Hey y'all, how's it going everybody? What is up YouTube? It's your buddy and homie Sparky Marky Mark here, and I'm back to do an update. And it's a pre-order update, y'all, at CSR Collectibles. That's right, y'all. What do we have now, y'all? What do we have? What? Hey, calm down. I say it. Alright, with that, another pre-order update, and it's for another Michael Myers, Tommy Lee Wallace, production designer and editor of Halloween 1, but also played the Shape during the closet chase sequence. Yes, this is the guy, and he would later be involved in directing. He would have been one of the guys to be involved in Halloween 2, but turned it down because if you saw my documentary, if you saw my review of Halloween 2, that he was going to direct, but apparently he dropped out because if any of you remember the documentaries, including Halloween 25 Years of Terror, The Nightmare Isn't of documentary, and also The Nightmare Isn't Over, the making of Halloween 2, Tommy Lee Wallace mentions that he was one of the first choice directors to direct, also being that him and John Carpenter have been buddies since childhood. And yeah, but apparently why he didn't do it, because he read the script and it was not for him. And he would later do Halloween Season of the Witch, aka Halloween 3. So yeah, here you are, folks. And plus he would later direct the TV miniseries It, and would later direct another sequel, Fright Night 2. And then he would later do Vampires Los Muertos, which is the second installment of the vampire films. But John Carpenter won't come back as a producer. Okay, so you have until June 5th at noon, same time as around the Dick Warlock signing, and it'll all be mailed by the 14th of June. So with that, let's take a look what we got, folks. Let's go. Okay, this was the sequence after Tommy Lee, well, before that, this was the behind the scenes where Tommy Lee Wallace plays the Shape in this sequence. When Laurie Strode gets stabbed, she falls over the stairs, gets injured a little. And then also the chasing scene after he breaks the door, unlocks the kitchen door, and then chases Laurie. And then this next scene would be the closet chase sequence, where the final girl and Michael Myers fight. But also he breaks the closet door, and then he gets stabbed with the eye in the coat hanger, and then stabbed in the stomach with a knife. So yeah, that was Tommy Lee Wallace. So yeah, what is it? First Nick Castle, Tommy Lee Wallace, Tony Moran did the unmasking, and then stuntman Jim Winburn would does the stunt where Michael gets shot off the balcony. He gets shot 6 times and then fall off a second-story balcony and to the ground. So yeah, 4 gentlemen play Michael Myers in the first one. Here you have a poster for the original Halloween. And what else? And you have the poster for Halloween 3, Season of the Witch. Poster for Stephen King's It. Also, you have a Funko Pop. Michael Myers Funko Pop. You have a knife. The butcher knife. Last but not least, the mask. A Trick or Treat Studios mask. So, okay. Congestion. Those for sending products. I'm not into that. No. Pre-order. Let's see the items, shall we? Choose a side. We're going for 8x10 first. Michael Myers scenes. 12x18 poster. Well, let's just check out the price. So for the 8x10, it's going to cost you in the vicinity of $45. That's right, folks. $45. Repeat after. You heard me again, y'all. It's $45. Hold on. Okay. Choose a side. Okay. And the 12x18 poster is going to cost you $65. $65. that's what you're gonna pay for, y'all, with additional, of course, for $8 more for the JSA. That's very important, y'all. It's your choice if you don't want, but it's very important in my book. Last but not least, the one size. Funko Pop is gonna cost you $90. Signature and the character on the autograph on the mask is gonna cost you $130. And what else? Hold on. Alrighty, for the knife is gonna cost you around 95 bucks. No, actually, sorry folks. The knife is gonna cost you 85 bucks. Funko Pop is gonna cost you about $90, and then $130 for the knife. $130 for the mask. And yeah, 90 bucks for the Funko Pop. So yeah, your choice of markers, whatever you like, you can pick whatever. Again, the link is in the description box for the tutorial videos, or if not, you can go follow it on the pre-order section with other items that you can pre-order. So yeah. What else, folks? Would you like your autograph personalized? And also very important, JSA Beckett. Would you like it? It's your choice, but to me, it's very important. And also, you got to pay whatever amount you need to pay. Also, folks, let's have a moment of silence for what is it? The last surviving member of the Universal Monsters. Yes, folks, Ricou Browning, the last surviving member of the Universal Monsters. Unfortunately, folks, he sadly passed, and he was only 93 years old. So yeah, moment of silence, everybody, for a few more seconds. So yeah, he would always be remembered as Gilman in Creature from the Black Lagoon. So those who have his autograph, kudos. If you want to buy it, go purchase it online, y'all. He will be missed. Rest in peace. Amen. Also, folks, what else? So if anybody has their copy and bought the Universal Monsters set or standalone releases, kudos to that. Or those who have it signed, kudos to that. Radios and shouts to you all. So yeah, folks. But also, I leave links in the description box down below for any other products, including I'm in the community, like I said before. I'm always in the community posting what time do I upload my videos, or they're scheduled to be uploaded, and also updates on other things. So y'all, this is Sparky Marky Mark signing off. Y'all take care. God bless you. And enjoy the last day of February. And also, welcome to March. Catch you on the next vid, y'all. And later.